Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today it is time to decorate my wall. I'm slightly terrified to do this. But if you missed my last two videos, I looked for posters on Pinterest and I printed them all out. They all turned out so good and so pretty, and I am so excited to do this. I also have a whole bunch of Polaroids. I'm thinking on this wall, I will put the Polaroids, part of the Polaroids, and on this one, the posters. I'm not sure. I'm gonna just go ahead and see it because I have no clue. So it is already 3:30, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to finish it today. If not, I will continue tomorrow or Thursday. Anyway, let's just get started. I have no idea where to start. People also ask me often, how do I put posters on my wall? I use this. They're called poster bunnies. These are from the brand Prit. I do believe you have like these knockoff cheaper brands, but I always use these because in my experience they're the easiest to use.
Sure, Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
I think it's kind of done now. I think so. Except for the plant. I will get a better plant. But I think the wall is done. If I'm gonna be honest with you, I think it would look even better if there would be a little bit less pictures here and a little bit more over there, because there's a lot going on that wall, and then this goes from like smaller to bigger, and I think it would be better if it went from bigger to smaller because there's more on that wall. But I'm scared if I change it now that I'll mess it up and that it won't look good anymore. I do like kind of like the gap that I made where the plant goes in the Polaroids. I think that gives it a little something extra. But I do definitely think that the plant ties it more together. But I love it so much. I think it turned out so good. But for now, this is it. And oh my god, I am in love. I hope you guys love it too. And maybe if you even have any tips, you can always leave it down below and I'll see if I'll take you up on it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to become a part of the family, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!